Hello everyone, this is Ahmed of ahmeddan.com. Today I'll have another episode of walk video and I'll be walking in a village in Bangladesh. This is the northern part of Bangladesh called Gaibanda, and I'm spending 24 hours in this village. So this is just a walk video to showing something different. If this is the first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support. On this hybrid channel, I'm always trying new and different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more travel videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So this is the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius in September. This is sweltering hot, very uncomfortable heat, and I think I got a little bit sick because of the heat, but it'll be okay. And you can see that there are lots of greeneries all around. So we just left a paved road, and this road is made of actually nothing. This is just like a mud road, so not really a road. I think the villagers just made it, and when it rains probably it's going to be very messy. So it's very peaceful and quiet in here, and I have a series of many videos staying or documenting my 24-hour village living experience in Bangladesh, which is going to be in the description playlist. The link is in the description box below. So I'm going to walk up to the point where, or up to the house where I stayed for the past 24 hours. So this is a very good example of how a Bangladeshi village looks like. It's very different from the big city, for example Dhaka or other big cities in Bangladesh. And you can see that it's very green and very quiet and beautiful. So today it looks like there is a little bit wind, but yesterday there was no wind, so that made the temperature felt worse than normal, and I couldn't believe that it can be 40 degrees Celsius in September. So you can see they're growing different types of plants. See a papaya tree right here. There's some papayas in there. And there's a small pond on the left, and I can see some ducks trying to relax in the hot temperature. So let's take a look at it. So the water looks muddy, and there are lots of stuff inside, but looks like the ducks are eating something. And I can see one guy is spraying fertilizer or pesticide in the field. And you can see there are goats and cows everywhere. So very laid back village life, no stress, no rushing. So we got another pond here. This water looks a little cleaner than the other one. So it looks like each house has cows and livestock, lots of chickens. So some houses are a little bit better than others, and I saw lots of street dogs here and there. So this is what cows eat. I think it's a dry form of some sort of straw, or I don't know if this is called hay also. Hay. So this is cows' feed. The cows love it, and you can see that all households have lots of these. So that's what cows feed on. And the ducks are having actually a good time. And we have a street dog here. So I have my contact behind me, and when here we have someone is sorting out some sort of grass. This could be for the cows. So the place where I'm living, it's coming up, so I'm just going to go up to there, and then we're going to go up to a small pond. Okay, so I'm going to stay aside for the vehicle to pass. So what you see that these are now battery operated, but in the past they used to be manual. They had to pedal it, so that makes everyone's life a lot easier. So I haven't seen any manual rickshaws or vehicle like this here. All of them are battery operated, so that's a huge improvement than in the past, because these guys will have to work very hard whole day just to earn little money. You can see that goats are everywhere, and then there's some ducklings. They're resting. So this is where actually I'm staying, and if you see more videos in the playlist, there'll be more videos here, but we'll go up to the pond, and that's where we're going to end the video. And so you can see some nice, paddy field. I'm not sure what they're growing, but it could be paddy. And so I see a bunch of ducks here. Yeah, so every house has ducks and chickens and cows, and there's livestock everywhere. So this doesn't get better than this. This is a pure village vibe here, and you can see that all green, and the pond has fish. So they catch fish whenever they need to eat fish, and then in those houses I think people stay overnight. And you can see, so that house actually for the cattle, and this is small ones for the ducks. And here you can see all green and very nice breeze right now. So this was my village walk in Bangladesh. I'm going to put a link on the screen for the next video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.